the past watching videos of us. I have been trying to get rid of your stuff, but voices in my head are telling me to stop. It's all I have left, all I have of you. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, I let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me?
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Cheryl with iStylEMYSTYLE, and welcome to the fourth and final Saturday of the Home Decor Luxe Club collaboration, which is home decorating or celebrating home decorating month for April. So I came together with a group of beautiful YouTube ladies, and I will put up a photo here. And each day or each Saturday, we have put up a video celebrating home decor month. So if you missed those videos, I will leave a link for those. Actually, it's all in one playlist, so I'll leave the link for the playlist down below so you can go check out everyone's video. In today's video, we had to do something that was modern, well, not modern, but neutral, something home decor related, and for Earth Day. So I have decided to use these pretty flowers that I received for a work anniversary. They're kind of wilting, but they were oh so pretty when I first got them. Absolutely love them. The cream colored roses, the little purple, I don't know what you call those. They look oh so pretty, and I guess those are tiger lilies. And because they were drooping just a tad, I did put in one sprig of my faux white roses, but everything else is real. And that is my tribute to Earth Day. And I have paired it with the candle holders that I picked up from Ross. They are like a brassy gold on top with a marble base, and it goes well because my neutral color is white. And I have paired it with these DIY books that I did. If you missed that, I will leave a link for those down below, so you can go check those out as well. But this is my modern, simple, neutral home decor look for our last collab of the month. Absolutely love how this looks. Very simple, perfect for my home. So I will leave a link for the ladies' channels down below. If I did not say, the Home Decor Luxe Club is hosted by Lady Phoenix, and her co-hosts consist of Kimberly Davis from A Blessed Home, Simone from Creations by Simone, Glam Designs by Anne, Antoinette from Decorating with Ant's Place, Candy from DIY Designs by CCW, and myself, Cheryl, with iStylEMYSTYLE. So I hope our 4 weeks of celebrating home decorating month has given you tons of inspiration, and that you go and check out all the ladies' channels to see what we have come up with for today. And I hope to see you in the next one.
Outside of my head, baby, why'd you have to love me like that, love me like that? Oh, staying inside in my bed all day long, listening to sad songs and feeling so low, thinking about you and where we went wrong. 'Cause I wanna know why you let me go. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, I let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart and you tore it apart. Don't know why you had to hurt me like that.